Here is how you automatically remove a video background in CapCut. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to select a clip in here. This is just some sprinkling of some glitter. I'm going to click add, and that's going to add it to our timeline. Now what I'm going to do is just cut this down because it's going to be a big file and it has to process, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and click in here. Now we've got this playing, we've got a pink background. It's worth noting the effect quality is going to vary depending on the contrast between the subject and the background. So the hands here are kind of distinguished from the background. So let's go ahead, click on the clip, make sure it's selected, and come down to the bottom and we've got remove background. So I'm going to go ahead and click remove background. Now it will do it kind of instantly, but then as you play it will need to process at times, but this is what it looks like. It's okay, it's doing its best to kind of cut it out, but it is an automated process, so it's not going to be 100%. Let's try this guy hoovering the forest, for example, and then I'm going to click on remove background for this clip. So remove background again, remove background. So now if I play there, you can see it's done its best, but there's times the background does come in. Now that's understandable given it's just an automated process. So there you go, that is how you quickly remove the background of your video in CapCut.